Alright, so I'm going to go over the first 10 of these. These are conjunctions. I find conjunctions to be kind of tough for young people first getting into the parts of speech to understand. There are three types of conjunctions. There are coordinating conjunctions, and the coordinating conjunctions, they form an acronym, and that acronym is FANBOYS. FANBOYS. And that acronym, the words that make up that acronym are for and nor, but, or, yet, and so. In truth, we no longer use the word yet and for in a way that is coordinating. For is only coordinating if we mean the word because. Otherwise, unless you're saying because, the word for is not a coordinating conjunction. So correlative conjunctions, these are pairs of conjunctions. We saw this in the video yesterday. This is either or, not only, but also, neither nor. And subordinating conjunction is the tough one. It's going to begin what's called a subordinate clause. A subordinate clause will have a subject and a verb, and a subordinate clause could be a complete sentence if it weren't for the conjunction in front of it. So what you're looking for is a group of related words that could be a sentence, but there is a pesky conjunction at the front of them that makes it incomplete. So let's look at a few of these in the example here. Not only am I late getting started, but I also haven't decided what to buy everyone. So this has a correlative conjunction, which means it has two parts. Here's the not only, which is the first part of the conjunction, and then here is the but I also. So this is a correlative conjunction. Number two, it's tempting to say that the word for is a fanboys, is a coordinating conjunction. This use of the word for, though, is not. This is actually a preposition. This use of the word for is not meaning the word because. For is not something that we really use anymore as a coordinating conjunction. Usually we just use the word because. However, here is a coordinating conjunction. It's the word and. Number three, while I was studying for finals. Here we have the subordinating conjunction while. The word while is a subordinating conjunction because it goes in front of a clause here. I was studying for finals. Now, those words could be a complete sentence were it not for the conjunction in front of them. So when you're looking for subordinating conjunctions, just be on the lookout for these groups of words that could be complete sentences, but oh no, it has this pesky conjunction in front of it. Number four, since finals are over, I have to hurry to get caught up. This is the same thing. We have the word since. Finals are over, that could be a complete sentence, but since finals are over cannot. The word since subordinates that clause. It makes it no longer a complete independent clause. Number five, not only do I typically buy presents for them, but I also get gifts for my sister. Here we have not only, but also. And then this for, you don't want to consider this a fanboys or a coordinating conjunction because it doesn't mean the word because. Same thing with this for. Number seven. Move this up a little bit. Gifts are a holiday tradition, and here's our coordinating conjunction. Everyone in my family enjoys the custom. This and is a coordinating conjunction. It's a fanboys, and one thing that's interesting is if the word and starts independent clause here, you have to put a comma in front of it. Number eight, if I could knit, I would make them each a scarf. Here we have the subordinating conjunction if. The word if comes in front of I could knit, which could be a complete sentence. I could knit could be a complete sentence except for this pesky subordinating conjunction. The purpose of the word if is to make I could knit no longer a complete sentence. so it can be combined with the second part here. The purpose, that's what they do. That's what subordinating conjunctions do. They make complete sentences incomplete so they can be joined with another more important complete sentence. Number 9, here we have our subordinating conjunction while. And then this for is not a coordinating conjunction because it doesn't mean the word because. We don't use for as a coordinating conjunction anymore. If you were to use it, you would sound like you're speaking old-fashioned on purpose. All right, 10. Well, she's not really my girlfriend, though I think she's smart and pretty. So here is our subordinating conjunction, though. I think she's smart and pretty. That could be a complete sentence, except we have this pesky word though, the subordinating conjunction, that makes this no longer complete. So that's what they do. So anyway, go ahead and finish the second grouping of 10 and see how you do, and I'll just read off the answers in just a few minutes. Good luck.